This is the magical journey of disposable chopsticks. First, let's take these disposable chopsticks and cut them to a specific length. With them, we can create a flat surface. Add one more on the top and bottom. Apply some glue to secure them. Are you starting to get some ideas or inspiration? Next, let's add some square patterns. Place them in the basket. Create a quadrilateral. Place it in the center. Next, assemble a right angle. Place it on the inner corner. Add a small one. These ordinary disposable chopsticks are starting to shine. Find some patterned paper. Cut out the designs. Apply white glue. Stick the patterns in the center. Using the same method, make 6 of them. Next, add some simple patterns. Then, assemble a hexagon. Add some designs inside the hexagon. After a few simple steps with the disposable chopsticks, they're no longer just disposable items. All the parts are ready. Next, let's start assembling. Add a basket on the side. The bright moon for countless years without a predecessor illuminates the awakened people of past and present.